Well, I thought I'd do a quick update. It's been a while. I haven't been doing any work outside as it's still extremely hot here in Florida, but we have been working on the shop. I guess since the last video was the video of the shop actually going up. Since then, I've put gutters in. Downspouts. Me and a buddy named Alan. Alan came and helped me. But I've got two downspouts, both on the back side of the building. They just go into the dirt and they follow the grade. And they dump out the back of the shop here. Here's the second downspout. It just follows the natural grade. Anyway, we haven't had a heavy rain since then, but before I put the gutters up, the rain was collecting and then running off, creating these ruts. So the gutters were a priority, especially since we had that hurricane possibly coming towards us, which turned north, thankfully. Anyway, so yeah, we did that. Don't look too close, you'll see all the mistakes I made. Because I am not a gutter man. But the install came out well. So put a few things in the shop since the last video, as you could tell. We had a storage unit that we moved into the back. Takes up that little corner there. I got some shelving for free, courtesy of Sacred Heart Hospital. They were just throwing it away, so I snagged it. I moved several other things that we had at the house that were just in the way. This generator. I built this table, this workbench. Got a nice vise. Mounted it. Oh, we also bought a log splitter. 25-ton county line. With a log catcher attachment. Works great. I'll be using it more when it cools down because I've got a lot of wood to split. I've got a couple more vices up here that I got in South Florida. Pop, you should recognize these. Also, Pop, you were asking about the electric. I came today and last night and wired up some, and then finished up today. But you can kind of see it splits off, and then I've got a row of shop lights that I put up and wired. 4 down each side. That comes over here. 4 down that side. And I wired some outlets. Don't look too close. But, one every other post. And had I any brains at all, I would have done it before I moved all this stuff in here. Because I was unable to get, that post, and that post because of all the stuff that I moved in. But I can wire it in later. No biggie. Separate circuit for the compressor, which I have. I just I don't want to bring it out here just quite yet because I don't have any electricity for the security system I have. More outlets. This is where the panel is going to go, right here. Here's all the other wiring that goes out to the other legs. I just got it kind of tucked behind here until this panel can go in. But yeah. So moving forward, getting things done, waiting for it to cool down, because it is just ridiculous out here. Anyway, until the next video, thanks for watching.